Put this job in, furnace and coil, back in February of 2020. We're in the middle of the COVID scare here right now, so it's a mess. It's a mess. 2,000 people in Minnesota are expected to die by the time it's all over in August. We just ran that line set. We put a 90 on it there and a 45 on it, or a 90 up there. When we stuck it out, get a hanger there, and let's see. Corey's gonna start running nitrogen right now, and get this thing soldered up out there, and then we will solder in here, pressure test, and pull vacuum. So we got the line set run out here. The pad was marked where we want to cut our lines off here, so we're going to pull that and mark it and cut it, and then we're going to get the nitrogen flowing and solder this up. After we pull our shredders, we got to pull our shredders out of there and wrap this with some rags, spray it down with some heat sink material, wrap it in rags, and solder it. Okay, so we got our shredders pulled, valves are wrapped. Of course, let's get the big one wrapped for now. And then we're going to move our nitrogen over. Get the braze going here. Lightly. We want that flowing as slow as possible. Burn a hole right through it there. You can hear that nitrogen coming through there ever so slightly. Done. It's all ran. Just got to cut my zip ties off, and gonna have Corey fire up the nitrogen here, and then I'll solder these last 1, 2. Your filter, always make sure it's pointed towards the evaporator. Liquid refrigerant comes in on the little line, boils off from the heat load running through the coil, and sends cold vapor back to the compressor, hopefully, when you've got it proper heat load on the house. So otherwise, we're not going to boil off all our liquid, and we're going to end up sending liquid back to the compressor, and the compressor does not like to see liquid because it can't pump liquid. Drain line we did last winter. So I'm just going to solder this up. We will probably add a little charge. Let's see. The unit comes pre-charged for 15 foot of line set. We got about 5 foot left off a 25 footer. So that means we need to add 0.6 ounces times 5 feet. So that would be 0.6 times 5 is 0.3, no, 1.3 ounces, or no, 3 ounces probably. Yeah, about 3 ounces we gotta add. And then we'll cut it loose. It's gonna be too cold to run it today, I think. This is for Woodbury, in case this will suffice for an inspection. Got a new furnace, new air, venting, pitched properly. That was a mess when we got here. New line set. So there's our locking caps. There's that new Mueller line set that I sent you the specs on. I sent it to one of the inspectors over the winter, and he said it was good to go. So I just checked her out.